Hello everyone, I'm Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiads Math Academy. Today I'm going to discuss with you the functional equations questions, right? Okay, the functions from real number to real number is the function satisfies the conditions, right? 4 times f of 3 minus x plus 3 times f of x equal to x square. So we need to calculate f of 27 minus f of 25, okay, to the nearest integer, right? Then how to solve this question quickly? You can see, student, the first you can take the function f of 3 minus x plus 3 times f of x equal to x square, right? So your ultimate target is what? To find the f of x, right? Then how to remove the 3 minus x, right? So you can see I'm replace x by 3 minus x. Suppose I'm taking this as the first one, right? So if replace x by 3 minus x means what will get? So 4 times, you can see the 4 times f of 3 minus, wherever x is there you replace 3 minus x, right? 3 minus x plus 3 times f of 3 minus x is equal to 3 minus x whole square. You already know that if you take x common, so you can see x minus 3 whole square. So if you square it, you'll get same thing, right? X minus 3 whole square, right? Okay, fine. So now you can simplify this. So 4 times f of 3 minus 3 will be cancelled. Then you will get minus into minus plus, this is f of x plus 3 times f of 3 minus x is equal to x minus 3 whole square. Okay, let's take this as second one, right? So how to remove the f of 3 minus x? You can see, student, first equation, you can see the 4 is there, here 3 is there. So the first equation you have to multiply by 3 and the second equation you can multiply by 4, right? So you can remove that f of 3 minus x, right? So you can write this quickly. So then what will get the first one? First one you can see, if I multiply 3, first I will write the f of x. So 3 into 3 it's 9 f of x, then plus, so 3 into 4 is 12 f of 3 minus x is equal to 3 into x square, 3x square, right? Okay, then second one, what you can do? Second one you have to multiply by 4, right? So first I am taking 4 into 4 is 16 f of x plus 4 into 3 is 12 f of 3 minus x. Okay, so 4 into x minus 3 whole square. Clear? Now you can subtract these two. Then what will get? You can see, student, if you subtract this one, then this will be cancelled, right? So then what is left actually? So 9 f of x minus 16 f of x is there. So this is minus 7 f of x, right? Yes, minus 7 times f of x here. Then right side you can see this is 3x square minus 4 times x minus 3 whole square is there. Okay, now you have to simplify this, right? Okay, how to simplify? I'll take another page. You can see, so what is that? F, so minus 7 times f of x here, left side, you know, right side will be 3x square minus 4 times 3x square minus 4 times x minus 3 whole square. Clear? Okay, hope that it is correct, right? Yes. Now you can simply this quickly. You can multiply by minus on both sides. 7 times f of x, 4 into x minus 3 whole square minus 3x square, right? I'm just multiply by minus 1 both sides. Clear? Okay. So 7 times f of x equal to, so here 4 into, I'm taking another color. So you can expand this x square plus 3 square is 9. So minus 6x, right? Minus 3x square, right? So you can simplify this one again. So 4x square, 4 into 9 is what? 36 minus 24x, right? Minus 24x minus 3x square, right? So therefore 7 times f of x equal to 4x square minus 3x square is what? X square minus 24x plus 36. So therefore f of x equal to 1 by 7 times x square minus 24x plus 36 is your functions. What they're asking actually, f of 27, they're asking 1 by 7, 27 square minus 24 into 27 plus 36. Then 1 by 7, what is 27 square? You can see already I calculated 27 square is 729 minus 24 into 27 is 648 plus 36. Then your answer will be 1 by 7 times 117, right? And the second thing, you need to calculate f of 25. So 25 is what? 1 by 7 times, what is that? 25 square, okay, minus 24 into 25 plus 36, right? This is 1 by 7 times 25 square is what? 625 minus 24 into 25 is what? 600 plus 36. The total answer will be 61, right? 61 by here is 7. So we got it f of 25 and f of 27, clear? So what you can do, you have to take the difference, f of 27 minus f of 25. So what is f of 27? It will be 117 by 7 minus f of 25 will be 61 by 7. The answer will be, 117 minus 61 will be 56, right? 56. 56, correct? 7 minus 1 is 6. Yes, 56. 56 by 7 your answer. Then now you can simplify further 8 times. So already is, this is your nearest integer, means it is not decimal, it is exactly, it is integer is coming. So therefore the answer will be 8 is your answer, right? So f of 27 minus f of 25 is equal to 8. I hope everyone understood. If you like the solutions, right? If you like the channel, please subscribe it and share to your friends. So thank you everyone. Thank you.